2.64.
2.64. Similarly, perform the calculation for the second footing. Second footing, calculate the length. Second footing width is 70 centimeter. Okay, that is 6.3 minus 0.7 divided by 2. How much?
1.176.
I think 5.6. Correct answer.
Yes, sir. 5.6 also.
Yes, sir.
5.6 meter. 5.6 meter. Width remains the same. Width and height remains the same as that of previous calculation. 0.7 and the 0.1. 0.7 and 0.1.
Sir, for this numbers will not come, sir. 3 numbers of short.
Numbers. I forgot the numbers. There are 3 number of short walls. Very important. 3 number of short walls. Sorry, numbers. It is must. Okay. Yeah, tell me the total quantity.
1.176.
Yes, 1.17 something will get. You can round it up to 1.18. Similarly, for third footing, 3 numbers. Okay, L will be 6.3. Just look into the width of the third footing. Third footing width is 60 centimeter. 6.3 minus 0.6 divided by 2 minus 0.6 divided by 2. So 5.7 meter. 5.7 meter is the length. 0.6 meter is the width of the third footing, and height is third footing height is 0.1 only, 10 centimeter only, 0.1 meter. Quantity, how much? Third footing quantity?
1.04. 1.04.
0.026.
0.6 means you can round it up to 0.03. Then for fourth footing, numbers 3. Length will be 6.3 minus fourth footing width is 50 centimeter. 0.5 by 2 minus 0.5 by 2. So you can directly write the answer. Okay.
0.885.
5.8 meter. See, for your understanding, I am doing the detailed calculation. Okay. If you are thorough, you can directly write the length here as 5.8 meter. Okay. It is not mandatory to write the explanatory notes. Okay. It is for your convenience. 0.5 meter is the width, and corresponding height is 0.1 meter. What is the total quantity you told?
0.87.
0.87. Okay. After fourth footing, what next? Plinth wall above the footing. Plinth wall above the footing. Plinth wall above footing. Okay. We calculate the length. 6.3 minus width of the plinth wall is 0.4 meter. Therefore, minus 0.4 by 2. Minus 0.4 by 2. You will get 5.9 meter. 3 numbers, 5.9 meter, and width is 0.4 meter. Height is similar to the previous calculation, 0.8 meter. 0.2 plus 0.6, which is equal to 0.2 plus 0.6, 0.8 meter. Okay. If you just observe the calculations with respect to the long walls and the short walls, only the length varies. You can just observe. There is change in the length. That's it. Width and height remains the same. Even the width and height remains the same. Okay. There change in numbers as well as length. Width and height remains the same. You can just simply copy from the previous calculations to save the time. What is the quantity, total quantity for plinth wall above footing?
5.664.
5.66. Okay. Now for the full building, we have calculated the quantity of the foundation and the plinth. Okay, now you can calculate the total quantity. You can calculate the total quantity now. Total tell me the answer.
26.1.
Yes, 26.1 cubic meter is the total quantity. So to this second question is over. Okay, that is third item is over. First was earthwork in excavation, second was is lime concrete in foundation, and third was first class brickwork and cement mortar in foundation in the plinth. What is the fourth question? Tell me. What is the fourth question?
2.5 centimeter cement concrete DPC.
DPC, yes. That we will calculate now. Fourth one, item number 4, dam proof course or DPC. Dam proof course 2.5 centimeter thick. Okay. First you take the long walls. Okay. Long walls. Numbers is 2. Okay. Calculate the length. Just observe the width of the dam proof course. What is the width of the dam proof course? Here we have the dam proof course. Here we have the DPC. What is its width, students? What is width of the dam proof course? It is same as width of the
2 centimeters.
plinth only. It is same as width of the plinth only, 40 centimeter only. Therefore, you do the calculation, or else you can directly write the length. Okay, with respect to the long wall of the plinth. Okay, what is the length you got? 11 meter. No, same length will come if you even if you calculate once again. Okay, long walls 10 centimeter. L is equal to 10.6 meter plus 0.4 divided by 2 plus 0.4 by 2. You will get 11 meter only. Okay, length 11 meter. So instead of doing the calculation once again, better to write explanatory note as similar length is same as plinth wall. Okay, length is same as plinth wall, 11 meter. Width of the DPC is 40 centimeter only, equal to width of the plinth wall only, 0.4 meter. What about the height, students? Height we should not consider. Why? Because the DPC is measured in terms of square meter, not the cubic meter. Okay, this 2.5 centimeter thickness is neglected. Okay, the thickness of the DPC will be neglected. Only will consider length and the breadth for the calculation. Okay, in terms of square meter, we need to do the calculation. For that, we need to ignore the thickness. What is the answer?